Alright, so this is a 2004 Toyota 4Runner, and we're going to be taking off the window trim. And we've seen a lot of videos, and they're doing it 100% incorrect. So the first thing you're going to want to do is there's this screw right here in the door. And this screw is what holds it in. So you take the screw out, and once you do that, put it in a safe place, and it kind of like lets it pick up. So you slide it out of your front here, this little hole, and you pry it until it pops out. So now that you have this, throw it away. So then you get your new piece that you got and make sure it lines up. It might be helpful to wipe it down a little bit, so we're going to do that. So once you wipe it down, you're going to want to put your new piece on. So it should go in the same way you took it out. So you're going to try and, there's a little like track here, and you want to put it on the metal part, and you're going to slide it in. Once that's slid in, you can start putting it the rest on the track and start pushing it down. Then you're going to want to line it up with the hole and screw it back in. So there's a little like kind of knob there from the piece that you want to line it up with and screw it in. Why isn't it? You got to push a little bit to get it started. And don't turn it too tight, just snug so you don't break anything. And after that, just push it down and make sure it's in correct.